want them, it's either their partner with the same candidate or last few of the times, they get their own family to escort them,
Santa Cruzan,
but they could also escort each other, but as long as we know who will be presenting. Okay, so the next one,
excuse me, if not all of them are from St. John, so who is the overall in charge of the St. John
Patty.
Okay, so can that Patty is here?
No, I said she's
the Patty is not here, so can we ask Patty to make sure that all of them will come?
Yeah, she knows.
As we said, okay, so that is very important.
She's the one in charge.
Yeah, she was here last week. She was last week. She knows that she just can't. She might probably drop by 8 o'clock or 8:30, but she will be responsible of that, and she will be talking to the students, and she will really have Father Mike be responsible of informing them. And I said, don't force them, because if you force them to come, I don't want to be forced. If you want to come, you come. If you don't, you can't, as long as we know who's coming.
But if we make it a point to make sure that they understand that it's part of their being candidates, being the queen, to participate in the Sagalas, I'm very sure they'll make a point to come.
That's what was saying.
Because what I'm listening from you is that they can come or may not come. If I were the one in charge overall, I would want them all to come. They should. Because as you already mentioned, that originally, this was really...
she said that we want them to go, she will make them go.
Sorry. We want them to go.
You don't want to speak on their behalf, I don't know what was said.
There's a problem there, because remember, in the last meeting, we said that the king and queen or whatever
will be
wearing gown and Filipino attire.
Yeah.
So now we were saying that it's a different one now.
Yeah. No, I'm not saying. I don't know what's she's not here. I don't even want to discuss it.
Excuse me.
No, we were the ones who volunteered it because we wanted it to make a Filipino atmosphere. If I remember right, Father.
Yeah, I think that's what we have resolved last time.
Oh,
yeah. And then
that they will participate in the Sagala. That's better.
Okay.
Because if they are, that's what I'm thinking. If they are just a separated court, it's useless.
That's why I was like.
What if we let them participate as Sagala? It makes sense.
I think so.
And it solves a lot of problems regarding who the Sagalas are. And remember, I think it's part of the minutes last time.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll talk with Patty back then.
And that's clear to her, Tita.
Yeah. As far as the costume is concerned, we said, as much as possible, preferably Filipino costume or any elegant evening wear.
Actually, we already have a solution to that, remember?
I have even ethnic costumes.
We already have to.
Why don't you present what we have in our part of that,
and
then you present what you talked about on your side. We are not presenting what, the last meeting we decided that. So is there another group, another thinking as far as the costume or
there are, because I told them last time, if we're going to invite these people, it should be like, when you invite them, it's easy for them. It's not like you're the one who's going to find their costume.
So when you say easy, Father, so that means they can wear anything?
No, we're going to provide them things.
See, that's what I was saying. We will let you know what we talked about at the part of our meeting, so it, you know
Kasi po yung mga issue po ni ratio, na-discuss namin.
That's what I want to
explain. Okay, so point of order, what about your agenda? Are they supposed to talk now or?
Yeah, pwede mo.
Okay.
We're sharing right now what we had met last week because
we met separately.
Yeah.
Our meeting.
Actually, we're done.
Okay, so can you now
ipipress yung minutes lang po, eh.
Yeah.
Okay. Yung ano po, yung si Grace, one of the agenda was for Grace to meet and share to meet with Sister Bishop. Okay na yun. Names and addresses of the Sagalas.
Point of order, we keep repeating.
Yeah.
We are talking about the Sagalas now
Yes,
as far
we
as
are.
the costume is concerned. So can we just have what we discuss as far as the
you want to
costume
focus
is
on
concerned?
that because there's a lot of...
Let us focus on the Sagalas first.
Okay.
Because there was a question raised regarding the costume and I was telling. So let us now talk about what you discuss as far as costume or attire is concerned.
I'll just talk about all the Sagalas because it will pertain to all the Sagalas.
Oh, so that's right there. Okay. Sagalas now.
Okay. Per advice of Father Adrian, we identified we need 24 adult females, 1 adult male, 4 girls and 4 boys for the Sagala.
The deadline to participate in the Sagala is placed at May 13. We should have identified the Sagalas by May 13. So we have to continue to recruit young women to participate in the Sagalas. The winning queen will be the Maria Elena, and the winning king, the Methuselah, according to First
Methuselah.
Oh, I don't know.
Whatever. Methuselah, the same. May different recognition.
Party will ensure that this year's candidates will participate in the Santa Cruzan. Party will also try to convince the PNP to participate as Sagalas.
Okay.
To make it easier for the Sagalas, they will be provided with rental places where they can rent gowns and barong Tagalog. If identify their nostalgia and barong Filipino style. Address and phone numbers were provided. Members of the committee are also encouraged to let their gowns, barong Tagalog, crowns, and even shoes for the Sagalas use. These are to be brought to Grace Place where the participants can see the clothes.
Oh, wow.
Which I have some already.
So with the issue with to the Sagalas too, but not we have limited number of articles, so we also suggested the umbrellas be used.
That's used in the Philippines.
To
The big of the arco.
There's a lot of different parasols and umbrellas.
We got all the decoration and flowers.
Tapos na?
We've bought it already.
Wala na, kabit na?
Yeah.
Diba? During my time.
Dami lalagay.
Ay, dumating na yung arko last week.
But it's, ano lang yun, we need one day, at least one day for the Reina Elena.
Different
But
size
all the
to buy for
decorations,
them.
we haven't even the table spot.
So we will be providing for them instead of them making it?
I-hire nyo na kami na mag-organize ng party.
One day, everything's
Ang bilis yun naman.
The centerpiece.
Kulang na lang yung saging, dahon ng saging.
Dahon ng saging na lang kailangan.
Uy, dahon ng saging mo.
Ma'am, do we still have the
Ngayong Saturday or
Alco?
Hindi, sa Saturday.
Is it with Joe?
We still have it here.
Kanino po?
With John, yes.
Yeah, we have to we have that.
The PVC.
Yeah, PVC is the
Uh, the,
How many do we have?
It's a basic one.
Manong, dito na kayo.
We have how many sets?
How many do you need?
No, just tell them.
Only for the main characters.
So I only have 8, pero I have 3
How many?
We only have 8 at this point. Everybody.
So we should talk about who will have
Yeah.
Okay.
Kasi if you do too
the
much.
famous ones like Banderada, Las Flores.
Excuse me, did I hear that you are looking for the Reina Elena?
No, she's the queen.
This is the queen.
Yes, queen. Queen.
We're not Reina Elena.
Hindi yung arko. Yung arko na gagawin namin sa Reina Elena.
It'll be different from the other.
Naiba siya. Kasi Reyna siya.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yun ang wala.
Wala na.
Tapos yung ano,
Yung mga hawakan na natin ang problema natin.
yung ginawang changes ni Father para to sa misa, alam naman
Andito
nila.
Let us do it one by one.
Hindi kasi nang aming pinag-usapan. So, kumbaga,